Installing DriverMax. Accept the agreement. And this is where you got to be careful. Improve my internet protection with the AVG security toolbar. So if you want your current search provider changed from what it currently is to AVG security toolbar, then you leave this alone. I personally happen to like the search provider I selected on my own. I don't need the protection from AVG because Avast is scanning everything that I do on the internet, so I will uncheck that box. The default installation folder is perfectly fine. The only thing I want is a desktop icon. It's now indexing the drivers. We'll pause until it completes. Okay, it's already done. I will now launch DriverMax to finish. And as you can see, DriverMax has now finished installing. At this point you can scan for updates to any of the drivers that you have. My recommendation is that you only choose signed drivers to be updated. Anything else is like doing beta testing on drivers. Not something I would recommend, especially not for those faint of heart. The last item I checked on this thing was to make sure that it did not change my search provider. And as you can see from here, I still have Google as my search provider, so that the AVG never kicked in.